Sacred spaces to start our day. Sacred spaces to start our day. I thought I'd share a little brunch lunch with you guys in a beautiful spot that I come to where I'm all alone in solitude and we could eat a little something together. I just went to my favorite local food shop near this marsh beach spot that I got, and I got salmon. I got my favorite cold salmon. I don't know if I can show you guys. My favorite cold sweet chili salmon. It's the most yummy thing. I'm only gonna eat a piece right now. And I hope this lighting's okay. Got a little broccoli salad too. It's like my favorite combo. It's so yummy. So I thought we could take a few bites together. And I'm the crazy girl who brings her own salt with her wherever she goes, because I can't be eating the bad iodized salt, guys. I think I might put a hat on so I don't have to squint my eyes with you guys. Little salt on the top. There we go. And then will you take a few bites with me? Today's a content day, so I wanted to come into nature. Every day's a content day, right? But this weekend's gonna be all rainy, so I wanted to come outside, go into the ocean, enjoy life with you guys for a couple minutes, spend a little time together in heaven on earth. All right, I'm gonna pause to go put a hat on, okay? All right, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Are you gonna take a bite with me of this divine food? My favorite food in the world is just some meat or seafood. And a little veg combo. The best way to start our day in a beautiful spot. I live in Maine, guys, and it truly is heaven on earth, in my opinion. I always, like growing up, despised the winter and was like, I have to move, I have to get away, I can't be here, it's horrible. And honestly, now even in the winter I'm in love with and just find it so magical. Of course I wish the summer months were longer, but no matter where I go, I always want to have a home here, because it's truly just peace, man. And that's all I want in life. I'm not really a steady girl or anything like that. I mean, it's fun to explore and go have fun and stuff, but give me some peace in nature. It's all a girl needs. I know I'm drinking bottled water. And it's not even good alkaline water. It's fake alkaline water. But I will be getting my Kangen soon. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to share that journey with you. All right, we have to have a bite of the broccoli salad. I'm gonna take this off and go in the water. Have a divine time. A good mayo-based broccoli salad. Gasm. Little birdie. Thank you, God, for this day. I get to be me. I get to be free. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gonna save the rest of this salmon for a little treat later on. This is expensive. The shop I go to. It's expensive. But it's a total treat when I do get it. And it's hard to resist wanting it because it's so divine. I should probably try something else when I go there, but it's just like, give me my cold salmon. That's all a girl needs. All the birdies. I'm just so grateful. I want to like go to regular beaches too, but I always come to this marsh spot because no one comes here. And if I'm gonna make content and videos and stuff, it's like I can't really do it at the beach. I guess I could, but Maine is like such a tourist attraction in the summertime, and where I live is like beach heaven, so everyone be coming. Everyone be coming. Ooh. Let me know if you guys like salmon too. It's so good. I love this bikini. I'm gonna take some pictures and I post them on Instagram and my spicy site, and I'll put a couple on the community tab here so you guys can see. It's so cute. It's from Aerie. I just really like it. The bottoms are really cute too. They have this little ring look. It's really cute. So good. But I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm only gonna eat one piece right now. A couple more bites of this. And then I'm gonna enjoy and bask in my bliss. It's the last few days of spring, guys, and then it's officially summer. I'm just so grateful, like, I'm an emotional, spiritual girl, guys. I just think about, like, even a year or two ago, I was just in such a different space, you know, and I'm just so grateful for evolution and change, and we can always up level and bring in our dreams, and it's never too late to be our best selves. And take care of our bodies. You know, like, this food to me is so divine, and it makes me feel good, and it fuels me, and it tastes so good, you know? I could get a sandwich or something like that, but personally for me, like, eating sandwiches and stuff like that, that's gonna make me feel like shit, you know? That's gonna make me look like shit long term, you know, if I was to be eating crap every single day. So this kind of food to me is what I'm drawn to, and it makes me feel and look good. So I just encourage you to find your fuel that you think is really effing tasty, but also works well with your body and doesn't hurt your body, you know? And try to listen to your body's needs. And when you're eating something, if it doesn't go down well and it makes you feel sick and it makes you feel bad, maybe you shouldn't be eating it as much, you know? Oh gosh, guys, so blessed. Thank you for spending this moment with me in the sun. Let me know if you like little eat with me's. I'm having so much fun with that, and I thought this background was too beautiful to pass up. We had to have a moment together this morning. Please like and subscribe if you're not part of this beautiful community already. I try to post every day, but you know, we go with the flow here. An eclectic, beautiful place where I just post whatever I'm intuitively called to post every day. And I'm having so much fun. I'm having so much fun in the summer sun. Bye, friends.